and welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together a lovely summer baby salad using millet and chia seeds because we're going to prepare heirloom tomatoes, avocado, millet, chia seeds salad. This recipe is appropriate for babies starting from 8 months of age. We're going to use two ingredients that I really like. The first one is millet. Millet, it looks like a cereal, but it's not. It's a grain, so it's naturally gluten-free. That means that it's easier to digest from little tummies, and it's so rich in nutrients. It's super easy to prepare. You can cook it like couscous or any other grain, and usually I like to prepare a nice quantity, use it for my recipe, and serve whatever is left and prepare other recipes with millet because it's such a fun ingredient to play with. Also, chia seeds. Yes, you can give chia seeds to your little one. They are loaded with antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, so brain boosting ingredient, and also fiber. But let's start together with our recipe. First thing to do, we're going to cook our millet. In a large big pan, we're going to roast the millet grains for 2-3 minutes at medium heat. That's how all the nutty flavor will pop out. Then we're going to add the water in our pan, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we can peel the tomato, remove the seeds, chop them in small cubes, chop the avocado in small cubes, and chop the cucumber in tiny bite-sized pieces. When the millet is cooked and it's a bit cooled down, we do not want too hot millet in our salad, we're going to simply combine all the ingredients in a nice bowl. We're going to add the millet, the tomato, the avocado, cucumber, chia seeds, a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. Combine everything together. You can serve this salad either warm or cold. It's good in either ways. And also, if you check the ingredients, this salad is super yummy for the rest of the family too. I might only suggest to add a pinch of salt for adults or older kids. The recipe is super easy. You can prepare it in advance and store it in the refrigerator and serve the day after if you're in a hurry. And also, you can cook the millet before and simply combine the fresh ingredients at the very last minute. If you're looking for similar recipes, check all the links in the area here below. Leave me comments and remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa, totally free if you want to receive every single week a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao!